Hello friends, good day to all of you. Today I'm back with a Sindhi breakfast recipe, Malpura. Now these Malpuras are slightly different than the usual ones which we dip in the syrup. These are plain, we don't dip them in any syrup, and these are relished with papads. This is a traditional Sindhi breakfast. But you can enjoy, kids like it any time of the day. So we just make the batter, fry them, and some like a very crispy texture, some like it little softer, so you can fry them the way you want. And this also is served as an accompaniment with Sindhi kadhi. They pair very well. Sindhi kadhi and malpuras is a traditional Sindhi meal. So shall we proceed to make these malpuras?
Malpura. These are Sindhi style malpuas. This is a traditional Sindhi breakfast served with roasted papad. For this we'll require whole wheat flour 1 cup, sugar 1/4 cup. You can use brown sugar or normal sugar. I have used organic brown sugar. Peppercorns 8 or 10, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, oil for frying. Ingredients list and the detailed recipe link is shared in the description box. Now transfer all the ingredients into a larger bowl for mixing. Give them a nice mix with a spoon or a balloon whisk. Now add water little by little to make a batter, smooth batter. By adding little by little, you can control the consistency and get a smooth texture. Total I might have added 1.5 cups. Friends, if you are a new visitor, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications so that you don't miss out any videos whenever I post. Now mix it vigorously and see that there are no lumps. This is the texture. Pouring consistency. Batter is ready. Now heat the oil. Take a wider pan and flat bottom pan preferably. When the oil is medium hot, pour a ladleful in circular motion. Leaving space, pour another one. Depending on the size of the pan, frying pan, you can pour 3 or 4. These have to be flipped from time to time to get a nice and crispy texture. Now these malpuas, some people prefer them softer texture, some like to have them quite crunchy and crispy. And also the ingredients, the peppercorns, fennel seeds, if you want you can add, or they are optional. Some don't even add them. They make plain just the flour and the sugar. And cardamom powder also some add, some do not. So you make them the way you prefer, because kids often don't like the peppercorns. Now flipping them several times, fry them until they are done. You can see now that color is changing. It takes about 5 minutes for each batch. I like mine little softer, so I'll be removing these now. For making more crispy, you can continue frying on low flame for some more time. Remove them on a kitchen tissue. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Fry them the same way, flipping them several times. They are easy to make and hardly take any time. So whenever your kids are hungry, you can quickly make these for them. Though it's a breakfast dish, but kids enjoy them at any time of the day. second batch also is done. We can remove them. From this quantity you can make 12 malpuras. Dish them out and enjoy. You can have them hot or even cold. If you are not serving immediately, you can store them in a box with a lid. These are not only relish for breakfast, but we also serve them along with kadhi chawal. Sindhi kadhi pairs well with malpura. It's a traditional combination, kadhi chawal with malpura. So make and enjoy them with some roasted papads for your breakfast. Let's do the tasting. Can't wait to have one. They are so tempting. Nice, perfect texture. As I mentioned, I like them little softer. If you want crispy, make them very crisp and crunchy. So friends, do give out this Sindhi breakfast a try and check out other Sindhi breakfast dishes also, which I've already posted, like Dal Pakwan, Koki, Sale Manu. I'm sharing all these links in the description box and I button. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then. Thanks for watching this video. Do have a look at the videos from the archives. You might have missed watching some before.